Dear student of class 8, today we are going to start Physics in Science chapter 4. In our daily life, some effort required to make body if stationary position change into motion or if moving body change into at rest position. So this effect. So first topic, force. Force force is external effort in the form of stressing, pulling, pushing, etc. or another definition of force for a push or pull on a body is called force. Effect of force, there are some types of effect on a body if apply force. First part, so force can make an object move its position rest. When a body at rest position apply on the body, so move this position. Now change at rest position to move position at the place A to change place B. And the force can stop or slow down move object. If body at rest or stop position, when apply on force, then it will be change its position. Now body will move. And if body is slow, then apply force, so body will faster. Third part, force can make a moving object move faster. When body moves slow, then apply force on body, then body move faster. And fourth part, force can bring change in the direction moving object. So force can bring change in direction of moving object. When body move, then apply force, change in direction. For example, ये बैट्समैन गेंद जब उसके पास आती है तो बैट से उस बॉल की डायरेक्शन को चेंज कर देता है. फिफ्थ, force can change shape and size. A body, a clay, when potter apply force, change clay shape and size. और रबर की गेंद को हम फोर्स लगा करके उसके पोजीशन, उसके शेप एंड साइज़ को चेंज कर देते हैं. छोटे से बड़े कर देते हैं, बड़े से छोटे फॉर्म में चेंज कर देते हैं. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्स. फर्स्ट कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स एंड अनदर नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. Contact force, when a force apply physically through a direct, when force apply physically on a body, so when force is applied physically through a direct between two bodies, it's called contact force required to two bodies. Contact required to two body is known contact force. There are three types of contact force. First, muscular force, and second, frictional force, and third, elastic force. So there are many types of contact force. These force described in the video. Thank you.